Okay, I also have made this piece here. I'm going to bond that together. I'll figure out what I'm going to do. I'm going to make some kind of oblong bowl from this, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, I've got it glued together. Now we just got to let it set and cure overnight. It's just two clamps and a little bit of Elmer's. This is going to be the top, and so I'm getting ready to put a woodworm screw. Okay, here I'm going to drill it. Okay, this is my second bowl that I'm going to make from those pieces of sand live oak branches that were machined on this edge to make them flat. And then this was over here, flipped around so that this was one branch that I cut in half, and then I book match glued it together. So my intent is this is going to be the top over here. This will be the bottom. And I'm going to try and leave some of this protrusion here, but as you can see, this thing is maybe 5 inches wide and 10 inches long or 8 inches long, so it's going to be an odd shaped bowl. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to use a dovetail tool to cut this out. So I'm going to put a mortise in here. I got to clean up this mortise, but overall I think I've finished what I'm going to do on the outside. I got to sand it. You can see I've got some big voids here where there were grubs. I don't know for sure what I'm going to do. I've got to wait till I machine out the inside fully, and I may fill with sawdust and CA glue to get it attached better, but I'm not sure that's going to be required. Overall I think it looks pretty good. A little bit of bark here. This side got cleared because it wasn't perfectly centered. So it's hard to see here, but right about there is the outside of the inside bowl. So the wall will be about that high. And my intent is to clear inside of that once I turn this around. But I've got to make this mortise correct. I've machined a little bit of it off, so it's shorter now. I'm going to have to probably put some CA glue on this bark because it's bark only over here. It's wood here, but it's bark from here all the way around to here, and that will dry out and fall off and the bowl will be lopsided. So I'll probably put some CA glue all around this perimeter here where you can see the edges of the bark. But I've got to hit this with the mortise tool a little bit just to get it recentered and flush on the bottom. Okay, this is my latest bowl. I always say that. It's made of two branches of sand live oak, and they've been flattened on one side, bonded together. It's got live oak edges. The tree was suffering, and so I cut the branches off. It's turned out pretty well. I did have to fill some areas with super glue and coffee grounds, but I didn't fill everything. You can see hole right there going all the way through, and it's turned out kind of nice. Here, let me turn it over. I never touch my bowls when I do the final viewing, but that's what the bottom looks like, and that actually looks pretty good. There are some coffee grounds right there. But you can see I left this hole open. So, in any case, there it is. There's a view of the straight on a little bit. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.